Hey guys, it's me, pretty girl. Okay, stop.
You look like a pirate right now.
And I'm playing with my friend Jazzy and build a boat.
What's up, bitches? No, I'm kidding. Ayana, I'm putting up some fences. I'm sucking, so can you like help me a bit?
Okay. Move,
Like I'm
stupid
trying
door.
all. Okay, what I'm trying to do is like build a good sturdy like boat. Oh my god, I'm missing out.
What are you doing to your boat?
I'm making it sturdy.
I have no more.
I'm making this
Okay,
boat.
I have seats, but like I barely have blocks because since I have that big old boat, I have none. I have
You
chair.
have no blocks.
What the heck is this yellow thing? The freak.
What?
Oh, I wasn't trying to do that. I'm so sorry.
That's sand. That's sand. You don't know what sand is in this game?
Okay, I just played this game for how long? Not even that long. Okay, I'm gonna load this one. It's gonna be the smaller boat because that's how it is.
And then you have like less pieces
Yes.
missing from your end. Son of a I still need to make a roof on my build. Fuck. I'm stuck in bed. Where am I? Right. Oh, I have to remove that block. Yeah. Yeah, put that block in. What kind of block do I have to fill that? I don't have that many blocks. Okay, let me get in my boat first. I don't even have enough blocks to keep going. Ayana, do you think I can use some of your blocks to make this tall?
Yeah.
Because I don't have enough blocks to make it any bigger. But I'm trying my best to make it bigger. Like my absolute best to make it bigger.
Oh. Are you seriously gonna make it that big?
Yeah, I'm trying to make it that big.
Don't you think that's a little too much block?
I still need a roof. I still need a roof.
Then why don't you use a door for a roof?
I just need a block there, and then I need a block over my head.
Why don't you just use a door for a roof?
I don't have a door. Oh,
Gotcha.
that does work. That works. But I'm still missing a block up there.
Where? Oh.
Up there.
Okay, 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 okay. There you go. I'm not ready
Thank
yet. I have to put my seat down.
you. My boat looks like it's gonna work.
Really?
Your boat ready. Let us sail.
Wait, I said I wasn't ready. But okay. I have to save this boat.
I'm gonna save my boat too.
I saved this disgusting boat.
Save. Yes.
Shit. Going on my boat, do boat, do 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 do. Going on my boat, do 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 do. Riding on my boat, do 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 do.
There, I saved it.
Like those people that were watching my videos are so creepy. Like they literally just watch me. Like they're basically like another version of Asher, but like different though.
Oh no. Ow. Ow.
Your boat. Your boat. He said out.
Ow. I'm facing the other way. Ayana, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it.
You said you're gonna make it, and then you said, "I'm gonna."
The trapdoor can open. That's not a good thing. My boat sucks. Oh wait, I'm not sitting.
Did you ever get a seat?
Ayana, your boat looks like it's ready to demolish.
It's not your boat. Your
My boat's still working.
except for the fact you just protected me over.
You sure about that?
Why are we connected?
I don't know.
You're protected.
Ow, that hurt my boat. Watch where you put your grinding so my boat.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
go upstairs. Jasmine, you're...
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, not this. No, not this again. Ayana, do you want to build a real boat after this?
Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
I just saw you zip out of your boat. I just saw you zip out of your boat.
I don't need to die. I'm gonna start the. Do you want to make a real boat, like a real nice boat?
I have no clue, but I'm just gonna use my same boat because there's nothing.
Okay. No, we're gonna build a really big boat using all of our supplies.
Nigga, I need my boat. Shit. I can't. It won't load. Did my boat never save?
Oh my God,
I'm so sorry. I was trying.
Remove this, please.
I'm trying to load.
Inside the boat. Okay, we'll build a real boat. Sound cool?
Okay, I'm gonna build my boat right now. What happened to my boat? I don't see it.
We're gonna build a boat together, I thought.
Oh, I only have 6 blocks because since I spawned my other boat, it's not here and I don't see anything.
I'm building the front base of the boat.
Freak this crap. I'm building
If
this.
Sid were here, he would be able to help us a lot. Like a lot. Because I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
Hmm.
Let me see. Walk there. Ooh, my boat looking nice, Ayana. Oh my God, I just ran out of blocks. Ayana, do you think you could help me a bit?
How do you have no more blocks? Do you know you could buy some blocks? Oh shoot. I wasn't thinking. Since I said that, I need to buy myself some blocks. I need some blocks.
We're gonna build a really good structured boat. Sound cool?
Yep. Alright, oh, I got a canyon. I got a, whatever the fuck that is.
Oh my God, suck.
Shadow, stop.
Wow, that's a messed up looking boat. How many pieces? 2, 3, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Oh, well, didn't fucking know. So I have to put that block there. But that still doesn't look good. What the fuck am I messing up on? I'm trying to build a structured-wise boat. Okay, I'm just do it.
The hell is this supposed to be? Alright,
Because I know I have. Oh my motherfucker.